Helicopter land. Helicopters. Helicopter land. He's there somewhere. Just can't see him. This is like helicopter land here. I'm getting bombed with helicopters here in Queens. I'm getting bombed with all kinds of shit here. Trash people, helicopters, big boobed women. They like to put a lot of big boobed women. I guess they watch me surf the internet sometimes. Sick motherfuckers. Helicopter land. Helicopter land. Ooh, flags too. Ooh. Helicopter land. There goes the helicopters. Getting all kinds of noise campaigns today, that's for sure. Crazy shit everywhere. Helicopters. I love my helicopters. I like my helicopters. That's some planes too. Seems like they had dogs, planes, and helicopters. Get the noise crap thrown at you. Helicopter land. Helicopter land. Oh, there he is. Helicopters. Helicopter land. I get bombed when I come here with helicopters here in Queens. Here comes the helicopters. There they go. Helicopter land. We're getting buzzed by helicopters. Me and my partner are exposing these fuckers. He's getting buzzed by helicopters too. Helicopter land. They're buzzing us again. Incoming. What the fuck is that? pops out of the trees as I'm heading up here doing my work. And these people show up at the same time. Like an attack as I'm climbing up the hill. They're going to attack me physically and psychologically. Ooh. Oh, he's all winded. Let's attack him now. Attack him while he's down. Ooh. As soon as I had their little surprise helicopter attack, they got some little old lady who was just pulling up into her driveway. That's the way they like to do it. Boom, boom. Two things hit you at once. People showing up in their residence, and freako things like helicopters attacking you over the ridge. And I was sitting there filming it, and she saw me filming it, so she came up and asked me, "What are you doing filming? You're on my property." I was on the fucking sidewalk. Mind control fucking zombies, man. This is your country. Get ready.